unlocking the wonders of parrots, intelligence, mimicry, and vibrant personalities. Parrots are highly intelligent and social birds known for their vibrant plumage and exceptional mimicry abilities. Belonging to the parrots family, it refers to that order of birds that includes parrots. This term encompasses various species of parrots known for their colorful plumage, strong beaks, and zygodactyl feet. They are found in tropical and subtropical regions worldwide. Parrots have a zygodactyl foot structure, with 2 toes facing forward and to backward, facilitating their strong grasping abilities. These birds are renowned for their communication skills and can mimic human speech and various sounds in their environment. They form strong bonds with their human companions and can display affectionate behaviors. Parrots are omnivores, consuming a diet that includes seeds, fruits, nuts, and occasionally insects. Various species of parrots exist, ranging from the small budgerigars to the large and colorful macaws and cockatoos. Conservation efforts are crucial due to habitat loss and the illegal pet trade, as some parrot species face threats of endangerment. Overall, parrots are fascinating creatures with unique characteristics, making them popular pets and subjects of scientific research.